The 2025 Ram Motorhome is a luxurious and powerful mobile living space, designed for comfort and versatility. Built on the reliable Ram chassis, it combines advanced technology with thoughtful craftsmanship to create an unparalleled travel experience. The exterior features a sleek, aerodynamic design with high-strength, lightweight materials for improved fuel efficiency. LED lighting, large panoramic windows, and integrated storage compartments enhance functionality and aesthetics. A power-operated awning with LED strip lighting extends your living space outdoors. Inside, the motorhome boasts a spacious layout with high-end finishes. The living area includes ultra-comfortable seating, a smart TV, and a state-of-the-art sound system. The kitchen is fully equipped with stainless steel appliances, a large refrigerator, a convection microwave, and solid-surface countertops. The sleeping quarters offer premium bedding and ample storage. Options for a queen-size or king-size bed are available, with USB ports and reading lights for convenience. The bathroom features a walk-in shower, a vanity with LED backlighting, and high-quality fixtures. The cockpit includes ergonomic seating with lumbar support, a digital instrument cluster, and a touchscreen infotainment system with navigation, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto compatibility. Advanced driver assistance systems like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring ensure a safe journey. With a powerful engine, enhanced suspension, and off-road capabilities, the 2025 Ram Motorhome is ready for any adventure. Solar panels, a generator, and a high-capacity freshwater system provide self-sufficiency, while Wi-Fi connectivity keeps you connected wherever you go. Customizable options allow buyers to tailor the motorhome to their preferences, ensuring a unique and personalized travel experience. The 2025 Ram Motorhome sets new standards in recreational vehicles by combining innovation, luxury, and performance. Its robust construction and superior design cater to both weekend explorers and full-time travelers, making it a versatile companion for any journey. The motorhome's exterior is available in a range of premium color schemes with durable, weather-resistant finishes. The integrated roof solar panels and lithium-ion battery system ensure sustainable energy for all onboard needs, while the heavy-duty towing package offers additional functionality for towing boats, trailers, or extra gear. Step inside, and you're greeted by an expansive living area with an open floor plan. Premium vinyl flooring is both stylish and easy to maintain, while soft-touch wall coverings add a touch of elegance. Reclining theater-style seating with built-in cup holders and storage ensures maximum comfort. The entertainment center includes a retractable smart TV, surround sound, and satellite connectivity, allowing you to enjoy your favorite shows and movies anywhere. The kitchen is a chef's dream, featuring a full-sized induction cooktop, a deep farmhouse sink, and a pull-out pantry for extra storage. An innovative water filtration system ensures clean drinking water, while the integrated dishwasher makes cleanup a breeze. The sleeping area is a sanctuary, with advanced climate control, noise-insulated walls, and blackout curtains for a restful night. Smart storage solutions, like hidden compartments and under-bed drawers, maximize space. The bathroom rivals that of luxury hotels, with a rainfall showerhead, heated floors, and a backlit mirror with anti-fog technology. For those who love outdoor activities, the Ram Motorhome includes a rear storage garage with slide-out trays for easy access to bikes, kayaks, or camping gear. An external shower station is perfect for rinsing off after a day of adventure. Under the hood, the 2025 Ram Motorhome is powered by a high-performance engine with impressive torque and fuel efficiency, paired with an advanced 10-speed automatic transmission. Four-wheel drive and a reinforced suspension system make it capable of handling rugged terrains with ease. Safety remains a top priority, with features like forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, and 360-degree cameras providing peace of mind. Advanced stability controls and an intelligent braking system further enhance driving confidence. Whether you're exploring remote landscapes or cruising urban roads, the 2025 Ram Motorhome offers a perfect blend of functionality and luxury, designed to make every journey unforgettable. Thanks for watching and take care and subscribe my YouTube channel.